Have you ever wished AI could stop being just a chat and actually do things in your real tools? This is the simplest setup I've found that works consistently. I'll show you how to connect Zapier MCP to Claude Cowork, so Claude can actually search and take action across thousands of apps without you writing code or building zaps from scratch. In fact, this setup is so simple that my mom could do it. And that's saying a lot. Just kidding. Love you, Mom. Here's the problem. Most people set this up wrong, and the AI ends up doing nothing useful. So how do you turn Claude into a real operator? I've tested dozens of AI workflows, and this setup is one of the most useful ways to go from chatting with AI to actually automating your life. And it works because it's using the tools that you already use. If the terms MCP, Zapier, and Cowork are foreign to you, don't worry. You'll be all caught up in a few minutes. In fact, we're going to do this in just 3 steps. Step 1, create your Zapier MCP server. Step 2, add tools like Gmail, Notion, and Slack. Step 3, connect it to Claude Cowork. By the end, you'll have Claude actually doing tasks for you. But first, what it all means. MCP is just a common language that lets AI tools like ChatGPT connect to other apps. It's like HTTPS, but for AI. HTTPS lets your browser talk to any website, and MCP lets AI talk to different apps using one shared set of rules. Think of MCP like giving Claude hands. Without MCP, Claude can only think. But with MCP, Claude can do things. It can search your calendar, send emails, update tools. Claude Cowork is basically an AI employee that has access to files on your computer and can actually do work for you. Zapier is the automation layer. It lets you safely connect Cowork to over 8,000 apps through one standard connector instead of custom integrations for each app. Step 1, go to mcp.zapier.com or the link in the description. Click Get Started, then click New MCP Server. Choose Claude as the client and give your server a name. Next, go to the Connection tab and copy your MCP server URL. You'll need that in a second. Step 2, this is the most important part. This is where you decide what Claude can actually do. Click Add Tool. Now connect apps like Gmail to send emails, Google Calendar to create events, Notion to update databases, Slack to send messages. You get the idea. Each tool you add gives Claude a new ability. Now, jump into Claude, go to Customize, Connectors, MCP. If Zapier isn't connected yet, click Add MCP Server, paste your Zapier URL, approve the connection. Now, your tools show up inside of Claude. From here, you set rules for when Claude is allowed to use certain tools. For Microsoft Outlook, I'll approve Find Contacts, for example. But maybe I keep approval needed as the setting for Get Attachment by ID. These are up to you. If you leave these set to Needs Approval, then Claude will ask you for permission each time before it proceeds. Now let's test it. We'll say, use Zapier to find my Outlook calendar events today and summarize them. Watch what happens. Claude doesn't just give you an answer. It calls the tool. That's a shift. Here's where this gets powerful. Claude Cowork now has access to both my work and personal calendars and email account. If I ask Cowork to create a daily brief to help me prepare for my day, I can then request it sends me this daily brief every morning. That's a scheduled task. This means Claude gets work done while I'm sleeping, and when I wake up, my daily brief is waiting for me. Boom. There are so many other things that you can use this for as well. Meeting prep, pulls calendar and docs and drafts emails. Content, turns video scripts into LinkedIn posts and sends them. CRM updates, logs calls automatically. Inbox cleanup, drafts replies and creates tasks. You're turning Claude into an AI assistant that actually does work for you. So here's what we did. Number 1, we created a Zapier MCP server. Number 2, added tools. This is the key step. And number 3, connected it to Claude. And now Claude has hands and can actually take actions for you. Once you set this up, congratulations. You're not just using AI anymore. You're delegating to an AI employee.